Welcome to the channel, friend. Well, today we're going to do a quick unboxing and a mini overview of the DJI Mic Mini. So this little mic is capable of up to 10 hours of audio. So the battery life rather. So let's get right in it. So small box, all plastic covered. So there it goes. And this is the one with the single receiver. So one transmitter and you have a single receiver. Okay, so there goes. That was just the plastic. Gotta get the rest of it off. So let's see how I get in there. Maybe this should do. Yep. Okay. This is for Android, iPhone. Okay, there it goes. Nicely and tightly packed there. Okay, see what we got here. I'm just gonna pull everything out. Okay, this is a carrying pouch with a DJI on it. Nice touch. And let's go inside. I will go into that in more details. So inside the bag itself, there are compartments. Okay, in one compartment. So I just took this from the main portion of the middle of the bag. And then first thing I see out there, I'm going to pop this out. Let me take everything out and we'll go through them. So that's compartment, another compartment there. So they all have their own compartment, so that's nice. And what's over here? Nothing in that one. That may be if you have two receivers, you would use, you have another compartment. But apart from it, that's it. Okay, so let's go through. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have instruction manual. Okay, so we'll put that aside first. We should be looking at that first instead of putting it aside. Okay, so let's grab this and see what we have here. So in this we have some cables. Look like this is a splitter. Okay, so first we have that is for your audio jack. If you're still using that kind of phone and you don't have the regular connection, then you can use this for your mic jack. But for most people, they will just use the USB-C. And as you can see, this is a splitter, a charging splitter. This has got a USB-A on the other side. There are two USB-C ports. And we're gonna look at, okay, this is magnetized. So I'll see what's in this that has magnet. This is very tiny. I think this is the receiver. Yep, it's the receiver. So this is very small. This is tiny. Okay, so on the back of it there is a magnet. So if you would put this on your shirt or wherever you put it on your collar, so you'd put that on the one side. So this would be on the back side of your shirt, and then say inside, and this would be over it. Clips in like that. Very strong magnet, very strong. Yeah, here you go. Let me see if you can put it anyway. Yeah, you can put it. Maybe you want to put it this way. DJI shown. Nice touch there. And this is for charging purposes at the bottom. Okay, so let's see if we have the case for charging. Yeah, so you have the dock. So you could drop this in there like that. And then, of course, you would plug this in. Okay. So that's dock, receiver, cables. This is for the mic, old style microphone. And what do we have here? This is a USB-C adapter. Okay, see where that goes. So this is going to be your transmitter. So this is the main event. This would be plugged into your phone. Okay, so let's have a look at that. So again, you can charge it from there, or looks like there is an option for the adapter. But if it's this adapter, this you wouldn't be able to charge this and this adapter. So you would charge this here. Yep. And then you have your splitter to charge this there. So anyway, so that's your pairing button, that's your power button. Just want to point out, this is actually to adjust your gain. So you have +6, you have +12, and then you can go down. You have -6 and you have -12. So you don't, if you're in average, you want to use this would be about 6. Most times just leaving it there, it would be fine enough. But if it's too high, they will be clipping. If you're have it too close, you're speaking too loudly, there will be distortion, and then you will need to lower it. But 6, or even right here at the neutral, that should be fine. Okay, so let's look at this. So this is going to be the adapter that you need to connect in order to put it on your phone or in your USB-C. So let's see how that works. So where is that? Okay, yeah, there is something in it right now, so I guess we'll have to push this out. Yeah, so there's just a dummy tab over it, so I would need to put this in. Let's see which side I push it from. Maybe this side. Let me look at how it's oriented. There are 2 pins there and 4 at the top. Yeah, so it needs to go this way. There's actually an orange arrow, I think, that's pointing in the direction. There you go. Sorry. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna grab my phone. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna plug this in, and on most Android, this should be detected. You don't have to install an app or anything like that. Just plug it in. You may need charging, but for the most part, you just plug it in, and you're gonna turn it on. Pressing this power button for about 2 seconds, release. Let me see if I have any. Yeah, the light starts to come on, but I need to check my transmitter and turn that on too, or my receiver. It should, there it goes. So it's gonna start blinking, and then it should go steady when it's paired. So that was fast. I think it's completely paired right now. So that's it. That is pretty straightforward. Plug it in, on most phones it will be recognized that way. You don't have to do it, and it will switch normally. And some phones you may have, if you have a third-party tool, you such as an open camera, you can manage it that way. Otherwise, for the most part, you will be able to just plug it in, turn it on for the first time, it will be detected. And this, like I said, you would put this on your lapel, you would put this on your shirt, put the magnet underneath your shirt, put this on top, and that's good to go. Now, let's do some tests. Okay. So let me just play something that was recorded with this camera. Sorry. Mic Mini. Mic test 1, mic test 2, mic test 3. Okay, let me start from the top. This is a mic test without the DJI Mic Mini. Mic test 1, mic test 2, mic test 3. Okay, let's test now with the DJI Mini mic test. Mic test 1, mic test 2, mic test 3. Wow, that's a clear difference there. It is rounder, it's richer, it is just clear. I can definitely, I've used other lapel mics like these, and this is the best one in the price points. And I should say that right now, when I purchased this, I got it on sale for 75 Canadian. However, with the Black Friday sale right now, you can get these for even $60. So this is a great deal. If you don't already have a great mic, I would say this is something you can pick up. Very impressive. DJI Mini mic test. Mic test 1, mic test 2, mic test 3. Yes, guys, I like this. I like this. I'm gonna be using this for my videos, and you will definitely notice the difference. Thanks again for watching. Please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe. And if you have any question about this, or you have any usage tips, please remember to drop the link below. Okay, you have a great day now. Bye.